Welcome back to I'm Out Traveling. My name is Raul, and on this video I'm taking you guys snorkeling off of the Big Island's west coast over at Two-Step Beach. We just got back from a Hawaiian vacation and it was amazing, but we have so much content for you guys. In the next several weeks I'll be creating a bunch of videos on a Hawaii vacation. That way you guys can check it out and help you plan your next trip. Make sure to click this playlist up here to watch all those videos. In the meantime, do me a favor, hit subscribe, like, and ring that bell to stay up to date with all our videos, and let's get on with it. So let's talk about one of my favorite, if not my #1 favorite spot to snorkel at in all the Hawaiian Islands, and I've been to many of them. I've been to the world-renowned Hanauma Bay in Oahu. I've been to Molokini Crater in Maui. I've been to Makena Beach, Turtle Town in Maui, and now here, Two-Step Beach on the Big Island. And this arguably is one of my favorite, you know what, this is my favorite spot to snorkel at, hands down. Many reasons why, so let's get on with it. The main reason, #1, is because it is a free spot to snorkel at. You don't have to pay for parking at all. You do pay $5 if you want to, pay down there for parking, guaranteed parking spot. But if you're just patient or you get there early enough, you don't have to pay for parking at all. If you go further down the road, you're gonna see a national park and they're gonna ask you to pay $20. Do not pay $20. Do yourself a favor, save the $20, be patient, wait for the free parking. Hi. How much is it to park?
It's $20 to enter this national park.
And the national park, is that Two-Step or Two-Step is that right there, right? There's a constant rotation of people going in and out of Two-Step Beach. So just be patient, wait for the free parking. Trust me, you'll get one, and there you go. So it is free to get in. My second favorite part of Two-Step Beach is that the water is so clear and there's so many fish out there, so many different species of fish that it's mind-blowing. From the moment you walk down the little side road, you're gonna see a left and a right. The left being the soft, sandy beach type setting where you can lay your towels down, lay out, catch some sun. If you have kids, let them have fun. There's not that many waves there. It's pretty safe for them. If you make a right, that's where you get to the rocky terrain. You'll still be able to put your stuff down, your towel, lay it out, but you really won't be laying out because it's so rocky that it's uncomfortable. So you put your stuff down and you hop right into the water. Either way, you can't go wrong. They're both just right for you. But enough of all that, let me show you exactly what I'm talking about. We just got to Two-Step. We're about to get in the water right now. It's crystal clear. Look at the fishes over here. And we decided to get this spot right here, so we got a couple towels already drying out. And now we're gonna get in the water. We put our snorkel sets on and swim and see the wildlife out here. I'm freaking pumped about this. Pretty tired. Just went from over there to over here, hoping I could see some dolphins, because the farther you go out, supposedly you could see some dolphins. Haven't seen any, but I'm gonna go a little bit further over there to see if I see any, and if not, then I'll come back. But the goal here is to see some wild dolphins. Very important, there are a lot of sea urchins when you're getting out of Two-Step, so make sure you wear water shoes because there are a lot of sea urchins and you don't want to step on one of those. But once you get out of Two-Step, you go further in, you don't have to worry about it anymore. Got some cute little tide pools over here. Nice and warm too. This water is warm. Babe, did you walk in this water? Walk in here. It feels so good. This will warm you up, okay? Oh my god. You know why it's so warm? We have a theory. Why do you think it's so warm?
Well, it's a kiddie pool, so I imagine the kids probably pee in there.
That's probably why it's so warm.
It's not a kiddie pool, but I've seen a lot of kids in it.
And we just walked all over it. It's okay. All right, so now we're gonna check out the sandy part, which is like more of the beach part. This side is way colder than the other side, 100%. Probably because the water is just sitting here. Oh my goodness. So that's it, you already adapt quick. So yeah, so this is the beach side, more like the sandy side right there, as you can see behind me. And the other side, more like the rocky side. This part is not super sandy. couple rocks here, so definitely still bring your water shoes. You'll still need the water shoes here. The beach is the sandy part. Everything else is still rocky. Definitely, if you have kids, bring them to the left side of two-step because it's not wavy. The water is really calm over here. Still rocky, but still water's really calm. So if you want free parking, there's gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 spots for free parking. Otherwise, you're paying $5 to park right in here, or you can do what we did and we parked up there as well, somewhere. It was free. The water temperature was just right. Make sure to check out both the left and the right and let me know which side did you guys enjoy the most. Hopefully this video has been helpful in helping you plan your next Hawaii vacation. Don't forget to click up here and watch the playlist on all our Hawaii travel related videos to help you plan your trip. Do me a favor, hit subscribe, like, and ring that bell to stay up to date with all our videos, and see you guys on the next one.